In order to delete your TikTok ID, you need to go ahead and launch the TikTok application on your mobile device. Log into your specific account which you want to delete. Now tap on the profile in the bottom right corner of your screen and then tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy. From this page, tap on Account. You need to go ahead and tap on Deactivate or Delete Account, which is in the bottom. Now you'll get two different options of Deactivate Account and Delete Account permanently. If you deactivate your account, this will be temporary. But if you still want to go ahead and delete your account, tap on Delete Account permanently. Select the reason for your deletion, then tap on Continue. Enter the code in this box, and you may also need to enter your password sometimes. Go ahead and enter it and then tap on Delete Account and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.